Last week, while visiting our family, me and my wife decided to check out a new wild spot. There weren't many birds that day, but by the river we spotted wild boars walking through the shallow water. The next day we came back fully camouflaged and waited for them. And that's when something unexpected happened. A kingfisher suddenly flew right between us, just 2 meters away. It moved so fast we almost didn't see it. The boars didn't show up again, but behind us the kingfisher started hunting. We didn't want to move and scare it off, so the next morning we came back early, hoping to see it. But instead, the boars showed up again. We waited for them to move on, set up our camouflage, and we were ready just in time for the kingfisher's return, finally managing to get our first photos and clips. We quickly realized that there weren't just one or two, there were 3 kingfishers in that area. Over the next few days we kept returning, watching them, learning their habits. One morning I was sitting in the height and I noticed my feet were cold, even though the air was getting warmer. Something felt off. I looked out through the side window and I saw my GoPro floating in the water. And that's when I realized my ship was sinking. The water level had been rising slowly, and I hadn't noticed. It was time to evacuate. I opened the tent flap, and right in front of me, sitting on a branch, was a kingfisher. I didn't want to scare it off, so I waited a little longer. I knew it was probably the last time the spot would be accessible because the water kept rising. So I went back one final time, and I'm glad I did, because something unexpected happened. It was the first time I had ever photographed a black stork.